Welcome to the Pokemon Squad. My name's John. This is Dallas. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, I'm out here in the cold shop trying to get warm so I can show you the latest and greatest sound bar from Kemimoto. You know Kemimoto, the legendary company that builds so many awesome parts for machines like this Uforce 800 XL. Today, guys, we've got the Midnight 90, brand new. Don't pay any attention to UPS's fun job they did to this box, because this thing can handle it. This thing's so tough, it can handle FedEx and UPS. I don't know if it's tough enough to handle the post office, but we've got the Kemimoto Midnight 90. Guys, this thing is 800 watts of crazy awesome sound, and it is huge. This thing weighs like 50 pounds. It can be mounted up and down, or in a headrest, or head something position up top. And guys, this thing is about to blow your socks off. I'm so excited to partner with Kemimoto in this video, and we're ready to get some tunes. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you know we do a lot of these sound system reviews, and I love them. I love to see what all the companies have to offer, and I like to show them off to you as well, so you can make an informed decision on what you want to spend your hard-earned money for. And Kemimoto is one of the better brands that you can get today. And so I'm going to take some of this stuff out, and we'll look at this absolute monster of a sound system. Oh, metal plates to mount it overhead, and they are heavy. Got our remote that you already saw. I promise you guys, this is the heaviest sound bar I have ever laid hands on. And usually, when it comes to sound systems, the heavier, the better. And if that's the case, we're not ready for this monster. Good God.
Look at that. He's 7 foot tall, and that's compared to him.
Imagine carrying this over your shoulder in a movie. Gosh, this thing's heavy. Gum it. Alright, let's rip into this bad boy. Oh. Got a little dust on it. Protect the rubber. Nice. Let's kind of rub it in a little bit. Look at that. Volume knob. Love physical buttons. Big, beefy controls. This thing has an FM radio on it. All kinds of lights. Let's count how many speakers we have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 speakers. Kemimoto Midnight 90. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this thing isn't cheap, but if you want big, powerful sound, you get what you pay for sometimes, and this is what you want to pay for. So there's a couple ways you can mount this big sucker. One way is overhead. Oh man, yeah, my son's pointing that out. Oh, that feels good too.
Yeah. Ooh,
told you. That's a good button.
Yeah.
Like a fidget. We've got the power. I love that the power can be plugged and unplugged. So many times it's just hardwired. Let's see, we got an aux in, an aux out. We've got, looks like for an antenna, and then of course USB. All nice and waterproofed. So you can use those big old brackets that I've showed you. You can mount them, and they will stretch long ways across your machine. On the side of each machine, you will fasten them on. Show you a little bit of that. And then you can also hang it the traditional way, where it kind of hangs down, I'd say kind of like a bat. And you can mount your roll bar clamps like that. Now that's probably the way I'm going to do it. I've got a gun rack that is on the other side, and hopefully it'll still work with this. I may have to do some moving around because this thing's bigger than I thought it would be, but I promise you we will make it work. Man, this is just awesome. It is sturdy. All right, let's see what's in these.
The Kemimoto Midnight 90 delivers up to 800 watts of pure audio power with a 10-speaker system, all-in-one bass performance. You don't even need an extra subwoofer with this thing. You can mount it on the roof or hanging down, and it's waterproof, IP66 rated, dust-proof, high-volume, crystal clear sound, and tons of stunning LED lighting effects.
All right, guys, we've got it all unboxed and unpacked. Let's just go over everything that you get. You get this remote. Comes in a little waterproof carrying case. Is nice. Got a couple wrenches, some safety hangers. We've got some rubber mats that'll go in between your roof mounts. Got some good solid power wire here. I really like that. Got a few fuses that you can place in here. We've got our roof mounts here. Kind of have the bottom and the top. I'll show you a brief example how to do that. Then we've got these right here. They've got a rubber side and a metal side. On the back of this, you'll want to make sure you put the rubber part down so it doesn't move around. You'll put your brackets on the edges there, and you'll be able to mount it. Now, if you want to mount it upright is the way I'll call it, you'll have to get the model that comes with the brackets, and I'll try to put all the different ones, or if you have your own, you should be able to use those as well. They're fairly universal. I'd probably use 4 on this thing because it is an absolute monster. Let's check out our product manual, and then we'll plug this thing in and get a little taste of what it sounds like and what it looks like. All right, so here's our product manual. It is quite substantial. And so I always show this whole thing. I'm gonna go fast just because I don't want this to be a 50-minute video of the installation manual. But this thing shows you really everything you need to know. Hopefully I'm not moving so fast that you're not able to pause it and see what you're wanting to tell. But I know if there's several times, especially if I ordered something, I really want to look at the user manual before it gets here. Kind of like whenever you're younger, you got a video game, and you read the box a bunch of times before you got to the house with it. That's what I think about reading the user manual before you get your product. There's even an app that goes along with this that we'll download and check out as well. It showed us how to hook up a subwoofer. That would be sweet. All right, guys, let's listen to it. All right, guys, I've got it plugged in. Let's just hit the power button. I'll zoom in over here and see what it looks like. We have not turned this thing on before. And we will not today either.
Kemimoto. Auxiliary input mode.
Guys, make sure you turn the power button on.
There's a power button down here. Make sure you turn that on.
All right, guys, make sure you turn the power on whenever you turn it on. Check this out. This thing is huge. Not going to lie to you, we have been jamming out to this thing probably for about 30 minutes as we took the other system down. I won't lie to you, it is, and this may not come to any surprise to you, probably the best sound bar I've ever heard. And with 10 speakers, with the Kemimoto name, and for the price tag, you think It better be the best one you ever heard. Rest assured it is. Check this out, guys. We've got a sweet LED screen. We've got pause and play. Of course, we can go through our sources. This has a dome light, guys. So if you don't have a dome light in your ride, you're going to have one now. Let me zoom out a little bit. Just by a touch of a button, you can change all of your LED lights like that. I've got it set to this cool one. And so let's go ahead and just see what it sounds like. Let's see, this is what we're playing. It's supposed to be copyright free. We will see. If you don't hear it in the video, you'll know why. So we're just going to be quiet and see what you hear. All right, it's loud, guys. It's really loud. Turn it on, try to talk. I can't talk louder than this. So turn it down.
Oh, you said turn it back up.
Guys.
I thought you said turn it up.
No, I kept saying turn it down.
I heard turn it up. Turn it up.
I couldn't speak.
I thought you said, why'd you turn it down?
It's loud enough that you have to straight scream over it, which I guess that's what you want when you want it all the way up. It sounds great, guys. I'm so excited to get this thing up there. And so, as I had mentioned before, as far as mounting, you see on the back, we've got these holes. You will put your rubber side onto there. Use your hardware to go ahead and attach it. If you're going to run it side to side, you just might need to take your roof off. You may have enough play. That's something we'll just have to find out. You may not have to take the whole thing off, maybe just the back, or maybe here like us in the middle. So we'll see. We want to do the least amount of work as possible, I promise you. So we'll just see exactly what we do. I'm really tempted to just hang it up like all my other ones. The only thing I don't like about this is that if you hang it like that, everything is upside down. I don't love that, but it's not the end of the world either. I wonder if you can flip this over. I'll look in the instruction manual and see what it says. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing mounted. Guys, I do recommend getting you some of this wire loom. It's really inexpensive, and it really makes everything look a lot better. It's kind of dark, but it really just hides it all. Link in the description if you want some of this. All right, guys, this thing is installed. You're going to need help. Do not try to put this thing on by yourself. It is a monster. It's heavy, guys. I don't know what it weighs, but it's a two-person job. We didn't take the roof off. I thought maybe we probably should have by the time you're all said and done with it, but we made it work. Guys, you're going to get your money's worth if you buy this. It is the best sounding sound bar I've ever heard. You cannot sit in this front seat and turn it all the way up. It will melt your mind. This is the kind of stereo that you get, not because it sounds good in here, but because you're out working and this thing is your tunes. You find the creek and you're playing in it in the summer with the whole family. You crank this up, everybody hears it. Fit and finish, second to none. It's what you're getting for the money, guys. It's fantastic. I'm trying to think of, other things to say about it besides this is top of the line. This is top notch. If money's no option, you just simply want the best. It's right here. Kemimoto has done it. They have given you the best that you can get in a soundbar factor without probably running a small factory amp, maybe some wave speakers or something like that take up way more room. This thing is the cream of the crop. It costs a lot of money. You're going to think, I want one of these, and you're going to hop in there and you're going to see it and you're going to go, ooh. I'd say this isn't for everybody. This is for the person who they want the best and nothing else matters. That's this soundbar. If that sounds like you, go get you one. Thanks so much, Kemimoto, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good pulls. God bless. What is that?
Baby.
Who's right?
He went through that hole in the door. That scared me. Whoa.
I don't know what the heck. Girl, I done died today. I got a Kemimoto sound bar and it made me pass away.
My funeral's at 8. You can come see me today. Don't drop it on me, Daddy, please. I'm so sorry.
Here you go, son. Oh, hell, this thing's heavy. Gosh.
Dang, Daddy.
Hold on.
I can't stop.
Wow. Out of my bucket. Oh, hell.
Come on, Mom. What are you trying to do,
I
Daddy?
was trying to get this. We hit.
Yeah, if I drop this, I'm gone.
Okay.
Daddy, please don't let that in go. Oh, Daddy, I'm gone. My arms.